Kwa kanyo ni ji adek luoro nitiere ni owito ngimagi bang' lo sianyore kendo imogi e gwenge ma Kimende mane kaunti ma Kiambu. Sianyruok mar lo manotimore kar saa 8:30 odiechieng' manyoro ichich ni okel kod koth mosebedo ka chwe kono. Ka gichiwo ripot ewi masirano, jogweng' koni ji manyo lobno sianyore kuomgi nyok nyal ringo. Kweth mag jolony e kedo kod masiche matuch apoya dhi nyime kod chenro mag manyo ji ma pod omoko e lo. Ka gavana ma Kiambu Kimani Wamatangi to kwayo oganda mondo kik dhi machiegni gi kar masirano eno.
Sasa nikakuja nikasikia mtetemeko ya ardhi, nikakuja nikashughulia, nikaona sikuona mtu hata moja, lakini nilisikia duru. Sasa wakati niliona hakuna mtu mwingine, mimi nikuteremka, nilimteremka.
Ilikuwa inatolewa yani inafunguliwa na tingatinga, lakini ikafikia wakati mwingine hiyo maporomoko ikazidi tingatinga na tingatinga ikaondoka. Sasa ikafika wakati ya masaa ya jioni ndio hiyo sasa hii poromoko kubwa ndio iliteremka na ikafuga njia yote.
We came here so that we can start the rescue mission to make sure that at least if there are those people who are maybe buried, we can excavate. But right now the only team that we have on the ground, we have the Red Cross, and we are also awaiting the military to join us so that they can be able to provide the expertise that is needed on the ground. 3 people are missing from the village, and the same people that we are suspecting